How to download Fortnite on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Fortnite on your Android phone step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, since Fortnite isn't available on the Google Play Store, so here you simply have to open the Google Chrome. And now here, once you're inside the Google Chrome, you simply have to tap on the search bar and simply search for Epic Games. And now here, on the search result, just tap on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Epic Games. Now here, once you are in this website, simply tap on install button, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next page, you simply have to tap on install on Android to install Epic Games on your Android phone. And now here, once you have installed the Epic Games, you simply have to go back and from here, you simply have to open the Epic Games. And now here, you simply have to log in using your credentials, or if you don't have the account, then you can simply create a new one. And here, once you're logged in, you simply have to tap on the search icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to search for Fortnite. And now here, once you have searched for Fortnite, you simply have to tap on it. And here, once you see the interface like this, you just have to tap on install to install Fortnite on your Android phone. And now here, once the Fortnite games installs, then you can simply tap on launch and after that Fortnite will start and there you can log in with your Epic Games account and start playing right away. And that's it. That's how you can install Fortnite on your Android phone easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.